Saan aabot ang 7,000 to 8,000 mo? Sa halagang 7,000 to 8,000, magkakaroon ka na ng 2-story house and lot with parking slot. Welcome to Mabalacat, Pampanga, a house and lot of SMBC.
Ang ganda, di ba? Pero teka, hindi lang yan ang highlights. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mismong bahay at amenities. So let's go! May dalawang house model dito sa Symphony Homes, kaya siguradong swak sa needs nyo. Una, mayroon tayong Sonata House, perfect for first-time homeowners. Meron itong 2-story home with potential 2 to 3 bedrooms. Pangalawa, meron tayong single attached na mas malawak at may sariling space. Modern design, perfect for growing families. Ang cool kasi, pwede mong i-customize. Gusto mong extra rooms, offices, walk-in closets, kayang-kaya. At hindi lang bahay ang investment mo dito. Lifestyle din, look at these amazing amenities. Meron tayo ditong adult and kiddie pool. Para sa relaxing weekends, may basketball and pets park. Perfect for jogging and perfect sa mga pets nyo din. Imagine, everyday, parang nasa resorts ka. So, saan ka pa? Dito ka na sa Symphony Homes.
Dito, hindi lang basta bahay, it's a lifestyle. Prime ang location, 13 minutes lang from NLEX Santa Ines exit. Sobrang easy na rin ang travel dahil sa SCTEX, TPLEX at NLEX na nagli-link between Metro Manila and the northern provinces. Easy access to everything. Malapit sa malls, schools, hospitals at pati na rin sa Clark International Airport. Malapit lang din dito sa Mabalacat Public Market at the OBUS Terminal. Investment-wise choice din dito dahil ang property values dito pataas ng pataas dahil sa developments tulad ng expansion ng Clark International Airport, creation ng New Clark City, kaya habang affordable pa, grab this opportunity now.
This is Jerson Valera. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Cheerful Homes by SMDC dito sa Mabalacat, Pampanga. If you're looking for modern, affordable, and cozy house and lot, you're in the right place. Tara, simulan na natin ang tour. Ang Cheerful Homes ay isang master planned community na perfect for family. You can see a secure na environment. May mga amenities para sa hassle-free daily living. Tara, samahan nyo ako, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung model unit. Check nyo tong spacious living area na perfect para mag-relax after a long day. Ang kitchen at dining area ay well-designed, ideal para sa family cooking sessions and family dinners. Itong bedrooms, comfy, peaceful, and relaxing after a busy day. Sa bathroom, sleek and modern design. So ayun, natapos na tayo sa ating house tour. Punta naman tayo sa clubhouse. Nandito na tayo sa clubhouse at swimming pool. Ideal para sa weekend relaxation and get together with friends and family. Meron din tayong parks and playgrounds. Safe and fun para sa mga kids and chill spot para sa mga adults. Ito naman yung basketball court for those na love to stay active and healthy lifestyle. So what do you think, guys? Gusto mo na ba magkaroon ng home na modern, accessible, and affordable?
Only requirements is 2 government ID and sign form. Open for pag-ibig financing. We can set a Zoom presentation anytime. You can contact us on the number that you seen on my screen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And see you in the next video.